All right, guys, so you can see we've been extremely busy, and I apologize for not getting some content of these prior events sooner. It's just been crazy with just life in general, just trying to get content out. But luckily, that's basically the highlights of it all. So from Fuel Fest to the win at 24 Hours of Bushnell with our endurance team, which was amazing, and also Spring Break Bash. So got some new scars with the cars, some of those events, but it's all part of the game. But wanted to make sure we got some testing on the SN95 because we got some major upgrades that happened, as y'all saw in the last video, with the BC Coilovers and the FDF Manus kits. And man, I'll tell y'all what, it performed awesome. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. It's literally just my first rip in it with the new parts. Finding my groove in it is all it was. And I just want to put every single run in here full length so you can really see the progression of the vehicle. And I don't know, shout out to Corey, man, this thing is amazing. So it performed perfect. So I'm excited for Ride-Along-A-Rama and also Black Friday Drift because it's going to perform awesome there. I'm excited for y'all to see it in person, but enjoy the rest of the video.
Yep. How's it feeling? How's it going? little tire change update.
Yep. So yeah, we didn't get any of the first video. Well, we got videos of first runs. Man, holy crap! What a difference. I mean, now I'm able to tell the car what I needed to do versus the car like tell me what it's doing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the fuel, just in case. But
Yeah, you know, just top it off.
yeah.
But yeah, it's it looks really good out there. It does. It looks really good. So you're nice and smooth. Everything looks really good. Doesn't look like there's any crazy binding or anything. So
Occasional extreme full lock, but like that's sometimes expected a little bit.
right, and we'll just tweak it and adjust it to where it doesn't. So,
but I mean, self steer is like insane. Like
Yeah.
I can just flip the car anywhere I need it to go. So
good baseline.
yeah,
Good,
now,
good for ride along a Rama.
Exactly. Now Corey's got me on some Kendos. We're gonna do a kill mode on it real quick.
Yeah, we had some. They're in the car. We had some worn out Westlakes on it, just to get a feel for the car, get an idea of what it feels like and everything, and just to get him in the car and see what he likes, what he wants to change, stuff like that. And it did really good. So we're putting some leftover Kendas that I had. So 265/18. They're 200 treadwear Kendas, or 300 treadwear Kendas. Nothing super crazy, but just more grip than what those worn out Westlakes had. And we're gonna have them at probably 20 psi starting, or no, sorry, 15 psi starting, just at cold pressure. So probably 20 hot, but it's kill mode for the car. Much more grip than the car's ever had. So we're gonna see how it goes.
I'm excited. See what happens.
Let's do it. just because I was like, I can light that off better. Like it can take it, so I was like, screw it, it'll do it. I'm already in drift. There's not a bunch of load there, so it'll be fine. But it feels good. It drives really good. Okay. So definitely coming to the back half, like I was like, I'm like feeling it out. I'm like, I have enough grip that I can go really deep on this. So I did a couple of times there, and the last run that I went out there, I got deep enough that I was like, well, I need to scrub more. So I kind of the steering. I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
I was like, oh crap.
That's what felt earlier.
Yeah. I was like, okay,